Hello friends, this is Julia from Juli Atelier Dk from Copenhagen, and let's decorate a candle for Easter together today. This is the easiest way. We will need a white candle, a decorative napkin, scissors, large metal spoon and a tea candle. First we measure out the required size of the pattern for the candle. Then cut off the required size of the napkin and separate the top layer on which the print is applied. Look, just first part, yeah. Look, it's almost transparent, yeah. And then the magic happens. We don't need glue. We wrap the napkin around the candle. Then we heat the spoon over the tea candle and carefully begin to smooth the napkin with a hot spoon to the candle. Look how am I doing, yeah, this way. The paraffin melts under the influence of the temperature, soaking the thin layer of the napkin and thus it's fixed. This is important to know that you cannot hold the spoon in one place, otherwise you will ruin the surface of the candle. Yeah, like this. Take your time, don't hurry up. You need to smooth every centimeter of the napkin to the candle. It will take 5-7 minutes. In a few minutes, when the work is ready, you can look, it's almost finished. Yeah. And remember, you should keep the spoon just only one side, like this. Look, super. And now you can tie a ribbon or string around the Easter candle. You can make a bow, but don't forget to remove the bow when you light the candle for the celebration. I hope you will enjoy the process and create beautiful Easter candles with your own hands. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we will meet soon on Juli Atelier channel. Happy Easter!